Hello and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for the 29th of October 2010. Markets, well, they've started fairly muted early on, but then bears took hold and certainly the markets, the FTSE along with its European peers, have been led somewhat lower. Certainly an air of caution so far this morning. A few positions were somewhat taken off the books early on this morning, and since then it's been pretty quiet. An air of caution probably ahead of the US GDP figures. Investors just taking some of those profits off the table ahead of these numbers. At the moment, the FTSE down around about 27 points at 56.50. Amongst the corporate data in British Airways, well, they released their results this morning, and in general they were pretty good, announcing a pre-tax profit of around about £158 million. Not only that, but the chief exec also announcing that passenger numbers have certainly recovered and there's no reason as to why that shouldn't continue. However, it's certainly fallen away this morning from its highs, and you could look at this certainly on the back of it having been bought up so much, possibly over the last month, that after the figures people are just closing their positions. Elsewhere, and Shell, well, they've carried on their gains from yesterday after their figures. Meanwhile, on the other end of the scale, the miners, they have certainly lost a bit of their advances, and they lost some of their ground that they made yesterday as precious metal prices fallen away ahead of these critical US numbers. So as I say, looking towards this afternoon, 1:30, the big one is US GDP. The 14:45, 2:45, we'll see Chicago PMI along with Michigan sentiment. At the moment, the Dow is down around about 63 points from last night's close at 110.50.